Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastFlow, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up Fast BlockControl. So basically we can control any Gutenberg block using FastTags. So what we're going to do here, we're on the FastFlow Dashboard and we're going to install the Fast BlockControl plugin. So we're on the add-ons page, we want to come to the free tab and then we want to install Fast BlockControl here. So just click install now and just make sure that activates. So once that's activated, we can then go into any WordPress page. So let's look at all the pages on the site. And say we wanted to control the blocks on this block control demo page. So let's edit this page. So you can see I was testing earlier and I've got a heading to be hidden here. And so basically, let's just get rid of these other blocks. So we've got this heading and it says heading to be hidden. So at the side, you can notice here we got something called FastTags. FastTags are located here, just underneath the FastFlow dashboard. And basically, when you install the FastFlow dashboard, you get access to the FastTags. And you can add tags to users based on purchases through FastMember or through the Fast Forms when the users sign up for your site, or synchronizing with one of our various autoresponder integrations or CRM integrations. So that basically you can add these tags. I'll show you the tags. All the tags are added here, and we can basically add these tags to users and then display blocks based on those tags. So let's just do that. So the heading to be hidden. So we only want this heading to be shown to users who have the yearly tag. Okay, so if I publish that, and then I'm going to make sure that my user profile here has the yearly tag. So the minute the user profile has lifetime, so let's view that page. And as you can see, there's no heading on this page. So all we've got is a page title, which was Block Control Demo. So if we now go back to our user profile and we add the yearly tag, and refresh that page, now you can see the heading to be hidden. So if we go back, and now let's edit this heading to be hidden again. So let's just close that. And let's show that the heading to be hidden is going to be hidden for these tags. So if they have yearly and we update it and then view the page, it's now hidden based on that tag. And if the profile, we remove the yearly tag and refresh that page, now we can see the content. So you can see that this control of the blocks works both ways. We can either show the content or hide it based on these tags. As I mentioned, there's various integrations to add tags to users. So for example, FastMember, when your members purchase certain products, we can add tags. When your users are added through any of these autoresponder services and they are synced with your site members, then we can also add tags and synchronize with the tags in the various autoresponder systems. There's various videos showing how to set up all of these integrations, so I'll see you in another one of those.